Welcome to PSY111, Introduction to Psychology Online. My name is Christine Henderson, and I will be your professor for this semester. I would like to take this time to welcome you to class and to take you through our course shell. What you're seeing now is the home page. Here is what we call the banner. You will see any new announcements down here. Below the announcements is where you will see the Blackboard student orientation, and you can click on this link to take the orientation for Blackboard. And then over here to the right, you will see your report card where you can see your grades. If you look over to the left of the screen, you will see some other areas where there will be important information pertaining to class. Welcome to PSY111 DL3 or DL4, depending on which section you're in. We'll always bring you back to the home page. If you click on the information link, you will be brought to further information about the class. Here's where you'll find the course syllabus, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that so you can see that the syllabus for the course will come up here. And you can also click this link where it will open in a different window. This is a PDF file, as are most of the files that I use in this course. And if you want to print out this syllabus for any reason, you would just click here and download it, or you can use the print function or the download function over here. Please make sure to thoroughly go through the syllabus so that you understand the policies and how this course will run. To get back to the information area, you can either use the breadcrumb trail up top, or you can go right back over to the course menu and click information. The next item in information is what is called the course schedule, and this will outline week by week the topics that are being covered, the required readings and videos and content that you're responsible for, the different learning activities that will take place in that week, and the corresponding due dates. So here, for example, you can see week 1. Week 1 is January 15th through 21st. The next tab over here you'll see are the required readings and videos. I indicate here the chapters and modules that you're required to read in the OpenStax Psychology textbook, the videos that you're required to watch, and any other content that I'd like for you to review. With the OpenStax Psychology textbook, you can either view the textbook in PDF form, and I'll show you where that can be located, or you can use the links in the weekly folders, which I'll show to you shortly, and use it as an e-view. The videos that are required to watch will also be located in your weekly folders, as will any other websites or articles that I'm asking you to review for the week. As you can see, the learning activities are color-coded, and you'll see that discussions will always be in green, quizzes will be in purple, participation assignments will be in blue, and anything pertaining, to your research paper will be red. And next to these learning activities are the corresponding due dates. As you can see, we have a pretty busy week 1, so make sure that you stay on top of your readings and on top of your assignments and ask any questions that you may have. If you scroll down, you can see that all of the information for the entire semester is located in this document. So use this course schedule to organize yourself and to make sure that you stay on top of all of your readings, all of the content, and all of the learning activities for the course. Let's go back to information. The next thing that I want to show you is the OpenStax textbook that we will be using for this course. As per the syllabus, you are not required to purchase a textbook for this course. This course is what we call an Open Educational Resource, or OER, course. All of the information, including the textbook, the content, videos, any other materials, are provided to you, the student, at no cost in electronic form. More information about this can be found in your syllabus. Right here is a link for the PDF should you choose to view the textbook and PDF file. Otherwise, if you'd like to use the ebook or the web view, there will be links in the weekly folders that navigate you to the reading assignments for each week. If we continue to go down in the information area, you'll also see if you click this link, it will bring you to numerous videos on Blackboard, and they serve as wonderful tutorials for students whenever you may have questions. This link will take you to a document on how to view feedback in Blackboard. I found that many students are not quite sure how to view feedback, how to see the instructor's feedback and their grades, so I've created this document to help you with that. Below that is another folder labeled Important Information for Discussion Forums. I'm going to go ahead and click this. In this folder, you will find the requirements for your discussion forums, what I mean by a substantive post, so you make sure that you are meeting all of the requirements, and what it is meant and how you follow what we call netiquette. I'm going to go back to information and take you to the final item in this area, and that's the final paper. Here's where you will find the details and all of the requirements of your final paper. If I click this folder, it'll bring me to some more information. The first thing you'll see are the important dates for your final paper, or what I refer to as your research paper. You will see the important dates such as when your topic is due, the abstract, the reference page, and the final paper. If you continue to scroll down, here's where you'll find much greater detail and requirements for the paper. You will find instructions for using turnitin.com, which you will use as one of the places you will submit your final research paper. You will see a video that has been created on how to search for an academic journal article. You will be required to use an academic journal article as part of your research for the paper. You will also be able to view a sample APA abstract. You will also view how to format your academic journal article on your reference page, a sample APA reference page, sample APA in-text citations, and then lastly, you will see information and other further references for APA format and a sample paper that may help you get started with yours. Now I'm going to go to the content section of the course menu. The content area is where you will find the biography post and responses assignment, as well as your weekly folders. One of your first assignments in this class is to create a short biography of yourself, to post it, and then to read your classmates and your instructor's bio and respond. So for this particular assignment, as you can see, the directions say click the link above the image and then click Create Thread for details and instructions for the bio and responses assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click that link, and you'll see right away my biography. And you can go ahead and click that and read it and respond if you'd like. But to post your bio, you're going to click Create Thread. And it's here where you will be able to view the instructions for this particular assignment. Going back to content, you will see your weekly folders. Each week, a new folder will open on the Friday before the week. So for example, week 2's folder will open up and appear on the Friday of week 1. I'm going to click your week 1 folder so you can see what is in this folder. The first thing that you will see in your weekly folders will be the weekly required readings. Here is where I mention the chapters, including the modules that are required to be read for the week. You can either read these via the PDF file that I showed you in the information section, or you can use the following links to take you to the web view. The web view is much more interactive, and through the web view you can link to videos and see other types of resources, which is why I recommend that you use the web view. If you scroll down, you will also see any of the weekly required videos and or articles or other content. So you can see the critical thinking video that is required of you to watch in week 1. I've also put a link to a website, the APA or American Psychological Association website, and this link will share more information on the various subfields and careers in the field of psychology. And then what you'll also see is the weekly discussion forum, and you'll also read the instructions. So these instructions indicate that you should click week 1 discussion, then click Create Thread to see the details of the weekly discussion forum and to submit your post or thread. Now remember, as per the syllabus, for the weekly discussions, you will not see any of your classmates' posts until you submit your post, so don't worry. You're going to click week 1 discussion, and it'll tell you this is a post first discussion forum. And then you'll be able to read the instructions for the discussion, and when you're ready, click Thread and you can create your post. Oops, sorry, I meant to go back to the week 1 folder. There we go. Scroll down. Okay, also in your weekly folders, you will see your quiz. Now, in week 1, there are 2 quizzes because the syllabus quiz is actually a participation assignment. So you will see the quiz for the week with a description, and once you are ready to take that quiz, you will click the quiz and there will be instructions to guide you further. The quizzes in this course are not timed, so you can certainly take your time with them. You can stop and start again as long as you submit that quiz by the due date. That's about it for your weekly folders. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If you're new to Blackboard, don't worry. Although there is a learning curve, you will certainly pick it up. And if you have any issues or any questions, please feel free to contact me anytime. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and to sharing Intro to Psych with you.